$20 home facial from OLAY, this vitamin C mask kit. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, you'll find everything from makeup to skincare to meditation to travel to fashion. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I ordered this thing from the OLAY website. I saw a ad pop up in my Instagram and decided to try it. Actually, I first checked out Target and Ulta to see if they had it, but I could not find it in any stores. But on the OLAY website, they had it on sale for $20. It's also available on Amazon, but I think they're charging like double that. So this may be a short time offer, the $20, but it's a good deal. Let's start with what it claims to do. Exfoliate, illuminate. 2 easy steps to vibrant, glowing skin. Instantly smoother skin, removes dry, dull skin to reset and brighten skin surface, and helps diminish the appearance of fine lines. Okay, I used it once so far. There are a lot of usages in this. It's a pretty good size kit. See, this is the main mask, and this is the AHA peel. And it is sort of, like I said, a 2-step process. The vitamin C is the primary nutrient in this. The main purpose of this is to exfoliate, to get rid of the dead skin cells, and thus make your skin look brighter, more vibrant, and less appearance of fine lines. Does it work? Well, I'll just let you know what my experiences were. Today I'm trying this new mask from OLAY. This is the Vitamin C and AHA Resurfacing Peel. It's a 2-step mask. And I've already washed my face. So the first step is to apply the Vitamin C Resurfacing Mask about the size of a quarter to clean, dry face. Cover the entire face with mask, avoiding the eye area, and gently massage for up to 1 minute. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here is the mask. Okay, look, it is this sort of, it has a nice citrusy smell to it. This is about a size of a quarter. Put this on my face. It's okay, it has a very grainy texture, like an exfoliant. It says massage for 1 minute. Try the neck too. I definitely feel the grains when massaging with this. That's been about a minute. Then I'm supposed to take this AHA peel and apply generous amount of AHA peel activator to face over resurfacing mask. The 2 formulas combine to create a white foam and gentle warming sensation. Massage until resurfacing crystals dissolve for up to 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat skin dry. All right. Let's see, is this okay? Put a little bit of this on my fingers. And here goes. Okay, it does feel warm. Crystals are supposed to dissolve. Yeah, I think they are finally doing that. I do feel sort of a peeling effect taking place. Okay, I think I'm going to wash my face and I'll let you know what it feels like afterwards. Prior to doing the mask, I washed my face using a gentle cleanser. The one I chose was the Clinique Take the Day Off, which removes all the makeup and it's just leaves your skin feeling very soft. Then after doing the mask, I just rinsed my face again with water, a tiny bit of the cleanser, and that was it. I did not use a retinol or astringent or toner right away. I just put on a gentle moisturizer and serum. Now, sometimes in age, a resurfacing peel can cause discomfort. This one did not for me. And I did notice when cleaning it after washing it off, there was no dead skin residue or graininess that sometimes a peel can give you. My skin was not red. Overall, it just had a nice, refreshing feeling. So that I thought was really good. And immediately after using it, my skin looked firm and young. Even after waking up the next morning, it still felt kind of firm. The next morning, I also did not notice any residue, any dead skin cells. So overall, this was a really pleasant experience. Is it like a miraculous fix for everything? No. And will it work for everybody? Probably not, because there are ingredients that some people may be sensitive to. In fact, I recommend doing a little spot test before doing the whole procedure, particularly if you have skin sensitivities. But overall, I do think this is something that I'm probably going to want to use every couple of weeks. It's a nice gentle peel, a nice vitamin C mask. So for an at-home facial, I think this is a really good deal. Overall, yes, this gets the thumbs up. I'm glad I tried it. I'd love to hear from you if you tried this product, or do you have another favorite product you'd like to recommend? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.